we're guiding you through the step-by-step process of installing the ultimate shower faucets. Replacing a shower valve requires a good understanding of plumbing. But these plumbing tips will simplify your journey. Even a relative novice can replace shower faucets in just one afternoon using common toolbox tools. This part must be installed perfectly in a straight line. Oh, this shower faucet is going to make you all want to go and upgrade yours, believe me. Next up, we're installing the wall-mounted trim handle. They're secured in place with screws. Wow, look at that successful installation. It looks so pretty.